Hi grade 1 and welcome to Wednesday. We are halfway through the week and I want you guys to continue doing all of your work. It's looking amazing and we love seeing it all. So today for Writer's Workshop, we are going to do it a little differently. We are going to read a story from the Reach book, then we are going to find the nouns, and then we are going to put them here on our chart. And we'll see if they are singular or plural. And then we are going to make the ones that are singular into plural nouns and the ones that are plural back into singular nouns. You guys remember what singular and plural are? So singular means one. There's only one of whatever it is that we are talking about. And plural means there are two or more. So normally if it's a plural noun, it has an S, some kind of form of S at the end of the word, and it's talking about multiple things. And remember, nouns are person, place, or thing. All right, let's keep that in mind as we read the story. So this story today is called Markets. So here's the title page, the title, and the author. We know it's the author because it says by, and we also have the page number here. So page 139. After I read the story, I will put it on for you guys as well in case you want to read it at home. So, markets around the world. People shop at markets. Markets sell many things. People sell things at markets. People buy things with money. Markets are big. Markets are small. Markets are on the streets. Markets are in malls. Markets sell fish and markets sell cheese. Markets sell clothes and markets sell toys. Markets are special wherever you go. People need markets. Okay. So I'm going to go back through the page and I want you at home, just like we do in math, to say stop when my finger goes over a word that is a noun, a person, a place, or a thing. So, people, stop, people. That is a person, place, or thing, right? It's people. So since it's people, it's more than one. It's talking about a lot of people. So we'll put it here under plural. So people shop at markets. Markets is a place. So markets, plural because it's at the end. Markets sell many things. Things. That's also a noun. So, but it's plural. So, because it has an S. People sell things at markets. People buy things with money. Money. That is also a noun. It's a thing. And let's say it's singular. Markets are big. Markets are small. Markets are on streets. Streets is a thing, but it has an S at the end, so it's plural, streets. Streets can be a thing or it can be a place depending on how you say it. So markets are in malls. Malls is place. And it has an S. So it's plural, malls. Markets sell fish. Fish. So let's start putting it here, a thing. Markets sell cheese. There's no S at the end, so let's also put it under singular. Cheese. Markets sell clothes. Clothes. And markets sell toys. Toys is more than one, has the S. Markets are special wherever you go. People need markets. All right. Ooh, so now let's turn these nouns either to their singular or plural form. People, the singular form is person. It doesn't follow any of the rules we learned, but sometimes that happens. You'll see a lot of those examples here. Markets. So if you take off the S, it's market. So market. Things goes to thing. And money. Actually, money does not go to monies. Money is the same when you're talking about one money or multiple money, okay? So money stays the same. It's also one that doesn't follow any rules. What about streets? Streets, we can have one street. Okay, malls, take off the S, we have one mall. Fish, it's the same rule as money. Fish, we don't have fishes, we still have multiple fish. So it looks the same on each side. And the same rule applies to cheese. It's the same if you have one piece of cheese or a lot of pieces of cheese. Okay, so cheese is the same. And then we have clothes, also the same. Same for one and same for a lot. I have one clothes, multiple clothes. And then toys. If you take off the S, it becomes toy. Okay, so today, grade 1, we talked about a lot of different nouns that sometimes follow the singular and plural rule and sometimes don't. Today, you are going to be doing one of your pages from your Reach book, and it's going to be doing the same thing. So for example, here we have one meal, and it becomes 2 meals. Here we have 3 brothers. Take off the S, it's one brother. So you're either going to read a singular noun or a plural noun and switch it to the other form. Please don't forget the rules, okay? With the X, S, Z, the normal endings, the Y, I can post the picture for you as well. So this will be your homework today for writing. And don't forget to keep working hard on your how-to stories. Don't forget to use a capital letter at the beginning of each sentence. Make sure your sentences make sense. Make sure you have a full stop period at the end of your sentence, and make sure you're stretching and spelling so you can spell very well and putting a finger space between each word, okay? See you later.